Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to head to the drag strip to set some baseline times before that supercharger gets installed right there. We have a 30-minute drive ahead of us to get to the drag strip, so let's hop in and go. Microphone malfunction, but we're here now. Chris, you ready?
Yo, we're about to get it. We're at PBIR International Raceway. We're gonna get it, smoke some kitties. Let's get it, man, let's go!
I really hope it doesn't rain. We're here now, and we're gonna hop straight in the line.
So we made it down to the strip PBIR. We got the cars all marked up, 2038 and 7026. Let's get it, man, let's go. It's time to race.
So Chris is gonna go first because I wanna get some film footage of him. We only have 2 people filming. We're gonna see how well he does.
Let's get it. I'm shocked. I do this on the street, you know, in Mexico, but like it's okay.
Let's see how he does. I mean, it's his first time.
Go.
Chris, you nervous, buddy?
I'm ready. I'm getting ready. You know, watch out, watch out. Gotta make sure we're good. But you know, here goes nothing. Like I said, we pray. Let's get it, man. Let's go.
Hey, dude, it's just time to shine. They just called his number.
I only live my life a quarter mile at a time.
These are a couple cars going before Chris. He's up next, I think. There's Chris right there. He's in the back on the left side. Here he goes. Let's see this time though. 12.4, that's not bad for his first pass ever, honestly. Chris is coming back around, but this GTR is so clean, not gonna lie.
Okay, that's fine.
Chris, how was that first pass, man?
Yeah, that first pass was alright, you know, we're getting used to it, you know, we're gonna run it again and, you know, get better times.
You kind of slept off the launch though, not gonna lie.
I did, I slept on the launch, but you know, we're learning.
That was on half boost too, because I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
Yeah, I know.
But that shit yiked up. He says I need to get a helmet because I'm too quick.
How did that feel, bro?
Freaking amazing. It felt like I was just flying through, and I'm ready to do it again. Let's go. Time to eat some kitties when I get it going.
Here Chris comes, second pass. Let's see what he does. He did 12.4 on his first pass, which is really good. Chris is going against a coyote. Oh no. Chris, that was close. Bro, you would have had that coyote.
Hold on, I gotta get my time.
All right, you were sleeping again. Chris, what happened with that last run?
I got helmet hair, but it's okay. But literally, I could have f***ed them up. I'm sleeping.
Run,
I'm sleeping. 12.2. I'm sleeping. I need to just go and engage all the freaking boosts, and this shit's gonna just mop everyone out. Let's go. I'm ready.
You're gonna mop them up.
Mop them up, bro.
Everyone's getting ready to go.
All right, so here we go. Number 3, third one's the charm. We're getting that reaction time on point. We're dumbing it down every single time. 1, 2, 3, green light, go. I live my life a quarter mile at a time, and speed, all I know is speed. Time to take down one of these boys. You already know, let's get there, let's go again. Me against a Camaro? Let's go. course, the BMW had to blow up and spill a whole bunch of AC. So, you know, we're waiting. They're reprepping the track. So, you know, I got the munchies, so I had to eat something. One more. Let's get it, man. Let's go. You're going to see it come down the track next time.
The munchies?
You know, I was hungry, bro. I always eat, bro. Every time I play COD, I eat. Every time I do something, I eat. But I'm not fat. Built. I feel like a Greek god. Let's go.
Track rules. Track rules. Fuck road rules. Track rules. 200,000.
No tickets.
War machine.
No tickets.
No
tickets.
No, we ain't doing
No tickets when I run. Ain't no motherfucking ticket.
I said no ticket.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yo, Chris, you think you want to call him out?
No, I'm good. He can have that one. Yeah, he put money into that. But, you know, we still out here mopping most people out here, like good 95%. That's all right. But him, I'm good.
These are all at Chris's times, so I think he ran... Which one was this?
That was my last one.
This is the Infinity.
No, this is the SS.
Oh, this is the Camaro?
Yeah,
Oh,
Camaro.
Chris beat a Camaro, like a brand new one. I think a 10-speed. This was against the Vortex Supercharged 5.0. I mean, his clutch was slipping. We talked to him after, but Chris did pretty well. I mean, for the first 3 runs ever, he's running like 12s. That means he could probably get down in the 11s if he maximized.
Reaction time. Look at that.
Yeah, his reaction time was horrible.
Terrible.
1.35. What'd you say was ideal again?
Ideal 300 to 400.
If he could get that down, I think it's over for 95% of the people out here.
Look at him. And then you got this dude in the background, you know, just absolutely screaming about who's got the bigger the
Hey,
freaking car.
Chris.
I forgot it's a family. You just slap a nice downpipe in there or something. I'm telling you, bro. I can see myself driving a C8.
That's Chris's next car.
Twin turbo?
Next car, Chris?
Yeah, I'm really thinking about it. Like, it's up there on the list.
I think I could see Chris in one of these, to be honest.
Yeah. Even the tow hook is hard on it. Like, a lot of people have mixed emotions about it, but I think it looks really good.
Yeah, it does. Here now. Oh my god. Feel that in my soul.
Alright guys, now we got Sally going on the drag. Let's get it, let's go, Toby. Alright. Go up.
I'm gonna put that launch control on, 3,500 RPMs, and I'm dumping the clutch. Like, I'm just sending it, guys. Like, I'm gonna shift as fast as possible too. We'll see how it goes.
Alright, so here we go. We got Toby coming up on the strip. He's gonna be in the left lane. He's gonna be against a GMC truck. But, you know, we're going for times. He's got this. Let's get it. All right, Toby. All right, so Toby's about to go against the Camaro SS. Yo, so we're out here. The night's over, but you know, it's all right. We had a great time, got some good shots. So I'm right here with one of my boys, M240i. Absolutely freaking beast. Love the freaking exhaust on this thing. Yeah, bro, tell me what you got done to it.
Just pretty much downpipe and tune right now with an intake. And then I have a high pressure fuel pump coming. And yeah, competition tuning.
Dude, badass, bro. Absolute badass. Shout out my dog.
Well, boys, that was a fat L. As you can see, I ran 63 miles an hour because my car locked me out of third gear. One last look before we go. I'm gonna have to take that MT82 and throw it in the garbage for real. I'm still extremely upset about what happened at the drag strip. One pass, I'm waiting all night to go, and then I get third gear lockout. I mean, this is well documented. I've taken it to Ford. They deny that there's any issue. I'm just fed up with this car. This is a brand new car. I bought this car not to have issues. This is way too much. So boys, we just got back home after a very heated drive. We still have the numbers on there, but I wanted to explain the third gear lockout issue in this car. one more time before I left you guys. I'm gonna put together a visual representation for you guys so you know exactly what I'm talking about. This issue is extremely prevalent in the MT82, which is a transmission that is found within the Ford Mustang GT. So we'll hop in the car real quick to display exactly what I'm talking about. Let's open that door up. When I said I got third gear lockout, this is exactly what I meant. So I clutched in, I tried to go from second to third gear, and normally the car will allow you to engage it. Now what happened in my case when I was doing my pass on the drag strip and got totally embarrassed, the car did not allow me to engage third gear. So it kind of went up, kind of just went into neutral, and this problem really only occurs above a certain RPM. So it's like 7,500 RPM or near red line, and this thing is going to lock out every single time. Doesn't lock out any other gear, it's only ever second to third gear. When I did my pass on the strip, you can see I did first to second just fine, and then I tried to go 2 to 3 and it just did not let me do so. So what I did is I went back to neutral and I coasted through the timer. That resulted in such a bad time, but my car literally would not engage third gear. And like I said earlier, I've took the car multiple times to Ford complaining of this issue. They never provided me with a fix. They told me there was nothing wrong with the car, and this is all well documented on TikTok. Since Ford isn't acknowledging the whole third gear lockout / grind issue with my car, I'm just gonna go ahead and Whipple supercharge it. I'm gonna send it, see where it goes. I might have to do a Tremex swap down the road, but it is what it is. They're not helping me out at all. This Gen 5 Whipple right here isn't going to be installed until June 1st. We have the intake right there, and then we also have an aftermarket clutch. For the aftermarket clutch, I went with the LPX from Lethal Performance. Now supposedly, an aftermarket clutch is supposed to eliminate your lockout issues, so we'll see what happens with that. Here we have some butane, a booster pump to make sure that I'm getting proper fuel to the supercharger, all that stuff. Oops, I probably shouldn't have dropped it like that. A crankshaft sprocket. Oh my god, I'm just dropping stuff everywhere. And then we have oil pump gears, which is a supporting mod. I really hope that that aftermarket clutch fixes my third gear lockout issue, but that's pretty much it. It's like 2 a.m. I have to go to sleep now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.